everyone. I, Dr. Monisha, Faculty of Management Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies, is going to deliver a lecture on the topic Meaning and Scope of Business Research. Research, in common man's language, refers to search for knowledge. It means technical and organized search for relevant information on a particular topic. Its primary objective is to find solution for problem in a systematic manner. It answers the questions through application of scientific procedures. It is a systematic method consisting of articulating the problem, formulating hypotheses, collecting the facts or data, analyzing the facts, and reaching to a certain conclusion concerning the problem. Now let's discuss various objectives of research. First is to identify and find solutions to the problems, that is, understanding the problems in depth. Second objective is to help making decisions of long-term or short-term nature. Third objective is to develop new concepts like CRM, horizontal marketing, etc. Fourth is to find alternative strategies like should we use pull strategy or push strategy to promote the product. Now let's discuss the scope of research. Scope of research is very vast. First is product research. It is concerned with the designing, development, testing of new products. Then we have sales research. It is concerned with all the selling activities of the firm, like examining the performance of various sales territories and stores, also identifying the factors which can improve the sales. Next is customer research. It is concerned with the studies of buyer behavior. Customers research can provide customer suggestions when they feel certain deficiencies or when they would like to have some improvement in the product. Then we have pricing research. Every firm has to decide what price is to be fixed for the product or the service. It is a major factor that affects the success of firm. It depends on various factors like cost, nature of demand, extent of competition, technological development, etc. The last one is advertising research. Its main objective is to increase awareness of the product or the service of the target group. There are two types of advertising research. First is media research and the second one is copy testing. Media research is concerned with alternative media and copy testing is concerned with suitability of a particular type of media before it is released for the advertisement. So hope you understand the topic meaning and scope of research. Thank you so much.